Welcome back to the channel. I'd just like to give you an update of the Hasegawa 148 scale teardrop Typhoon. Pleased to report that it's done. Nice, easy build. Other than the decals being a little bit funny, went together rather well. Also want to thank Brandon Walters, who's a fan of the Scale Model podcast, who sent me some spare resin bits he had from the Edward offering of this, namely the wheels, the tail wheel, and the exhaust. So that was quite good. As I say, fairly simple kit. This one's been out for quite a while, and Edwards used it for their boxing and that, so it actually went together rather well. I didn't do a lot of fussing on it. I just wanted something simple, and it worked out rather well. As you can see, landing gear worked out well. There's the wheels. I'll put it this way. As I say, my one complaint was some of the decals didn't like to sit down. In fact, I had a tear on the far side here, and you can see even with some extra setting, they were a little bit annoying. Other than that, it went together very well. No real surprises. Everything seemed to fit in the right spot, etc. Pardon me. So it, worked out rather well. So that's about it. I think the next build, I'm going to do I don't know, I'm going to do a palette cleanse or whatever you call it, but I'm just going to put this out of the way. And the next build's going to be the Y-Wing. I believe this is 1:1 from Star Wars. So I'm going to do this one. Beautiful kit. I'll do an inbox video on it as well. So that's it for now. So as always, thank you and be well.